Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the next Zombicide Undead or Alive mini. This week it is Dotty from the Steampunk Extras set. She was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started on her blue dress using Wolf Grey from Two Thin Coats. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. To add some shadows early on, I washed the dress with Blue Tone Wash. This way it lets it dry while I do other parts of the mini. She's wearing a white corset, but painting white is never fun, so I went for silver grey. This gives the impression of white, but without the hassle of actually painting pure white. I do miss out on doing the underdress though at this point, and come back later on off camera just to touch it up. For all of the exposed skin, I get started with Sunny's skin tone as the base layer. Next up is all the leather parts remaining on her. These will get a base coat with Vallejo's leather brown. The base, as always, gets a once over with Plague Brown. To add some highlights to the skin, I used Elven skin just to bring up those raised areas. Now the wash has had ample time to dry, I come back in with Wolf Grey again and start painting in some of the larger raised areas, just leaving that darker tone in the shadows. Highlighting up the leather parts, I used Cork Brown, just to bring the edges and add a bit of texture here and there. The artwork shows her with quite vibrant blonde hair, which is usually done with a brown colour instead of a yellow, but sandy yellow is a decent colour. Once the wash goes on, it will darken down to where it needs to be. Bringing up the sharper edges of her dress, I used Gravestone Blue just to highlight them up. All the remaining metal parts get done with Army Painter's gunmetal. To wash everything but the blue and the white, I used Archaic Sepia wash. Finally, the base gets finished off with sandy desert texture paste. And that will be it for Dotty. I'm liking the way the blue came out, and I might go back to washing the mini after the base coats instead of waiting for the highlights to be done first, just to see if it makes too much of a difference. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.